What is the best fighter? Like a jibu. Bite. I know. I know. Can fall now.
What? What happened? Why did I become a girl?
Congratulations! You got into the world of people.
The world of people. The people who pay for their existence?
Yes? Doesn't matter. I called you to help me with the project. Namely, to make an informative narrative about your relatives.
No problems.
Thanks. Let's start from information on Wikipedia. From ancient Greek, the word chameleon is translated as earth lion.
Earth lion?
Yes, because they got the name of the crest on the head and some species that resembles a lion mane. Imagine being the first human to discover the chameleons. In total, there are about 150 different species of these chameleons in the world. Almost half of them are not found anywhere else in the world except in Madagascar.
Madagascar. Great place to relax.
Their tongue is longer than their body.
That's why I can steal someone's ice cream.
Because of the unusual structure of their eyes, chameleons can see everything around within a radius of 360 degrees.
But now I am a stupid human, and I lost this attribute.
Hey lady, watch your tongue.
Okay,
Okay. They can't control color change while sleeping.
because the enemy can kill me while I'm dreaming, and I must protect myself.
Everyone considers that chameleons king of the camouflage. They don't just change the color, they literally can be invisible. But unfortunately, it's happening only in films and serials. In real life, it's more boring. They're just changing color and try to hide somewhere.
It's true, I cannot be invisible.
Oh, time's out. Thanks for helping.
You're welcome, mister.
Goodbye.